Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath ranch-style home. Open floor plan, hardwood floors throughout, with ceramic tile floors in the baths, laundry, and heated/cooled sunroom. No carpet, and as an added bonus, an air purifier system has been installed. The spacious kitchen is open to the large great room, with gas fireplace. The kitchen offers a large center island, granite countertops, and gas range. The large owner's suite offers a sitting area, with fireplace, for a private retreat. This home offers a separate bedroom, away from the remaining two, which is perfect for guests, or creating a home office. A wonderful sunroom opens to a covered patio, with a hot tub, for you to view the landscaped backyard, that is fenced for your privacy. The beautifully constructed storage building, with power, also stays. The neighborhood amenities offer a swimming pool, paved walking trail, and an activity field. This home is located close to I-20, Fort Gordon, fine dining, and shopping.